We installed this floor tile way too close to this toilet drain, and it's gonna make my life a lot more difficult. I just don't know it yet. So I cut the pipe down to floor level so I can put a twist in place toilet flange, and I secure it to the floor so the toilet doesn't wobble. But I need to use a diamond drill bit with some water to keep it cool as I drill through the tile and concrete. Then I use anchors to secure it into place. And once I make sure it's level, I was good to move on. So I grabbed what I thought was going to be our toilet, put the wax ring on, started lifting it into place, and that's when I realized I severely screwed up. Our toilet flange is sticking up too high because it's sitting on the tile, which typically isn't the way to do it. So I had to abandon that mission and get a new toilet. I could have lowered the toilet flange, but we decided to get a skirted toilet on the second round because we like it so much in our first bathroom, even though we were initially going for something different in this room. So I picked up the new toilet, and the workers here are always so nice. Then I made it back home, and this setup looks very different, but because I installed this exact toilet before, I knew it was going to fit around the high flange no problem. There are a couple of bolts that secure the black piece to the flange, then a couple more bolts that come in from the sides to secure the toilet to the floor. Once I got the toilet in place, I tightened all the bolts on each side. Next, I added the tank, which required a seal and a couple bolts that run through the toilet bowl assembly and tightened them up. Then a non-negotiable for me was a soft close toilet lid, so a couple more bolts through the toilet bowl assembly to tighten the nuts on the underside. And once I connected the water supply, I could turn on the water and watch the tank fill up, put the tank lid on, give it a flush, and we finally don't have to stress about someone hogging our only toilet in our house.